Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to share files between Windows and Linux using a Python web server. So we'll host a Python web server on Kali machine and try to access the files from Windows machine. So for that to happen, we'll first try to check what is the IP here. It's ifconfig on Kali. The IP here is 168.102.131. I'll quickly shift to my Windows machine and see what is the IP. I can see it's 168.102.130. So I can see both Kali and Windows are in the same network. So what is the first thing I do is I'll try to ping my Kali machine and see if I can access my machine. 2.131. I can see I can ping my Kali machine. So I'll go to the Kali and try to host the web server. It is as simple as just Python -m HTTP server and the port number. So this is the Python 3 version, and it's just if you click enter, then you will be hosting a Python web server. But before that, I'll first try to create a directory, cd files, and I'll create a test file. So this is a test file and header, and I'll check what is there in the file. So this is the file. So now I will host the web server on 80, and I'll quickly shift to my Windows machine now. So there are quite a few methodologies to access the file from the Kali, but I'll be showing the main top three techniques to pull the file. So one method is to use an IWR, which is invoke web request, which is default in our Windows machine. So we can leverage this to access the files from the Kali machine or any other machine if there is a server hosted. So IWR URI HTTP, what is the IP of Kali? 168.102. Let me quickly check. 131. And what is the file? It's the hacker file.txt. And where do you want to store it? What file name you want to store it? I'll just say hacker.txt, and that's it. It's downloaded already, and let's see. You can see there is a hacker.txt file. I'll try to show the contents, and that is the file which is there in the Kali. So this is one method mostly people use. There is also another method. I'll just remove this file and check. Not there. Okay, there is also one more inbuilt tool which is there in Windows, which is certutil, and URL catch -f path to the file on the Kali 168.102.131. What is the file name? Hackerfile.txt. And where do you want to store it? Hacker.txt. Right, so I just want to demonstrate this because a lot of people are in confusion that why my certutil is not access denied even though it's an inbuilt tool. Because it's Windows protects certain commands from being run, so we'll need to first turn off the threat protection in order to run such commands. So we'll first try to switch off this. Yes, switch off that. And switch off. So once you switched off, close it all. CLS. Try to access the file again, and bam, we got the file. Hacker.txt. This is a test file. Cool. So this is one more method people usually use to transfer, and There is also one more method we can use, which is PowerShell. You don't need PowerShell, I guess. You just need wget. So wget is a command which we usually use in Kali machine to access files from other sources, but we also have a capability to run wget in PowerShell as well. So mostly use the first two methods I've mentioned, but this is also one of the useful. So wget URI HTTP to 168.102.131 and hackerfile.txt. And where do you want to store it again? Out file. See, that's all good. Hacker.txt. And you can see it's downloaded. Hacker.txt. That's it. So this is a very short video just to quickly show how to access the files. In this playlist I'll be including a lot more other techniques as well, so please don't forget to check them out as well. Thank you.